today's video, you will learn how to lose weight with detox juices. Do you want to know how? Then stay tuned. Did you know you can lose weight naturally and healthily? The good news is that by choosing the right ingredients, you can lose weight and stay healthy by drinking detox juices. Do you know why it happens? Because these recipes take many different fresh fruits and vegetables. Some of the benefits of detox juices are antioxidant action, helps strengthen the immune system, rich in fiber, which improves intestinal transit, aid in weight loss, take ingredients that are beneficial to our health by helping cleanse the body. See 6 delicious detox juices with nutritious foods that will help you lose a few pounds. Green detox juice. This juice takes melon, pineapple, green apple, and coconut water. Write down the ingredients. 2 cups melon, diced. 1 1/2 cup pineapple, diced. 1 green apple, diced and cored. Juice of 1/2 lemon. 1 tablespoon ginger, grated. 6 leaves collard greens with the stems. 1 cup coconut water or filtered water and ice cubes to taste. Blend all ingredients in a blender and drink right away without straining. Diuretic green juice. This recipe takes lemon, collard greens, cucumber, apple, and mint. Write down the ingredients. 1 cup 6.8 ounces cold water. 1 collard green leaf chopped. Juice of 1/2 lemon. 1/2 cucumber unpeeled and diced. 1 apple unpeeled and diced. 1 handful mint leaves. Blend all ingredients in a blender and drink right away without straining. Energizing juice. For this recipe, you will need orange, carrot, collard greens, pear, and ginger. Write down the ingredients. 1 cup 6.8 ounces orange juice. 1 collard green leaf, chopped. 1 carrot, unpeeled and diced. 1 medium pear, unpeeled and diced. 1 sliced ginger. Combine all ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth. Drink right after without straining. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Antioxidant green juice. This juice takes lemon, collard greens, frozen red fruits, and mint. Write down the ingredients. 1 cup 6.8 ounces lemon juice. 1 collard green leaf chopped. 1/2 cup frozen red fruits. 1 handful mint leaves. Blend all ingredients in a blender and drink right away without straining. Invigorating green juice. This recipe calls for orange, collard greens, apple, pineapple, golden flaxseed, ginger, parsley, and mint. Write down the ingredients. 1 cup 6.8 ounces orange juice. 1 collard green leaf chopped. 1 apple unpeeled and diced. 1 sliced pineapple. 1 tablespoon gold flaxseed. 1 sliced ginger. 1 handful parsley. 1 handful mint leaves. Blend all ingredients in a blender and drink right away without straining. Hydrating green juice. For this recipe, you need coconut water, collard greens, lemon, chia, ginger, and watercress. Write down the ingredients. 1 cup 6.8 ounces coconut water. 1 collard green leaf chopped. Juice of 1 lemon. 1 tablespoon chia, hydrated. 1 sliced ginger. 1 handful watercress. Combine all ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth. Drink right after without straining. According to nutritionists, it is better to drink these juices in the morning while fasting. Starting your day with a glass of detox juice will ensure you get a good amount of fiber and vitamins. Also, when you drink these juices on an empty stomach, the nutrient absorption is potentialized since your digestive system is clean. But you can, of course, drink these juices at other times. Although most people suggest drinking it for your breakfast, you can also make a detox juice for afternoon snack. So, what do you think about adding these juices to your menu, which besides thoroughly cleansing your body, will also boost your weight loss? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.